There are endless videos showing you how to launch a meme coin with one of these Solana coin launching sites, but you're being lied to. You have to understand that these people are getting affiliate commissions from promoting the sites, or some of them have just set up the sites themselves to make money off these ridiculous fees they charge. You can clone a site like this really easily these days using AI to write all of the code. So that's why you see these types of Solana coin launch sites keep popping up, because they're money printers, taking money from people who don't know how you should actually be launching a meme coin. You also have to understand that the only reason they're showing you some profit like this is that they're buying their own coin with other wallets to pump the price up a bit before pulling liquidity and telling you they made a few $100s in minutes, which is a complete lie. The fact is, when you launch a random coin, no one is just going to magically buy it just because you bought a couple $100s worth from a couple wallets. People aren't that dumb. But every time you launch a coin with one of these sites and the coin fails, sure, you can pull the liquidity and get your money back, but you're losing around $100 in fees that they charge. They generally charge about half a sol to launch a coin, which could be anywhere from about $80 to $150 depending on the price of Solana when you're watching this. It blows my mind that people don't seem to understand this. If you're planning on launching a lot of coins with a sort of spray and pray approach like most people, then these fees are going to add up pretty quickly. And if the majority of your launches are failures, then you're just going to be constantly losing money. So yes, the people who are getting rich in crypto are not the ones trading the meme coins, they're the ones launching them. But real devs don't launch meme coins from these ridiculous sites. These are for people who have no idea what they're doing. To launch a successful meme coin, you need to be able to bundle the supply and distribute it to a large number of wallets that you control. Then you need to be able to act as the market maker and use your wallets to create real volume that actually pushes up the price in a natural, randomized way. This makes the chart look legit and actually gets people to FOMO. Then you need to be able to slowly take profit and sell small amounts from all of your wallets so that you make money without completely nuking the chart. Or of course, you can always still rug it if that's what you're into, but I would obviously never recommend that, and this video is just for educational purposes. So, what can you use to do all of this the right way, giving you the best possible chance of making money with every single launch? Well, of course, it's meme tools. I've talked about this software in other videos because obviously it's by far the best tool for successfully launching a meme coin and making money without having to set up a website or social media, and without having to pay people to promote your coin. The way the crypto market is shaping up right now, we're going to get an absolutely explosive meme coin season by the end of this year. And the people launching the coins with software like this are going to be making all the money. If you want to miss out on that, then that's up to you. I know I won't be. You should be testing concepts and trying new things in preparation for this. So when the absolute insane mania hits, you're ready to take advantage of it. If you're launching meme coins with one of these ridiculous coin launching sites, you're going to be paying at least $100 in fees to the owner of the site every time you launch a coin. With meme tools, you can test as many as you want, and it's not going to cost you anything. So they still have the 50% off deal from their V2 launch if you want to take advantage of that. And if you want a full tutorial showing you how to use it, check out this video right here, and I'll link it in the description too. Hope this video helped. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm giving away 3 Sol on September 15th to a subscriber who has liked and commented on all of my recent videos. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Okay, bye for now.